So now I'm gonna show you how I make my film journal, like entries. So today I'm doing Palo Alto. Great film. Love it. Like, I'm not being sarcastic. I'm like, I really like this film. Alright, so I forgot to record sound over this part, so right now I'm just cutting the construction paper so that it fits in my journal. That's what I'm doing. Alright, and now I'm gluing the construction paper in, because what else would I do with it? I actually haven't used construction paper on anything else, so we'll see how this turns out. See if I like it or not. So now we are going to be cutting this. I usually start with the title and put it on, and then I cut this out, put it on, and then I start with the pictures, and then lastly I do the quotes. Alright. Cut that, and then this, and then I just... Alright, that looks pretty good. I think I like that for, you know, the title, whatever. And now we're gonna cut some pictures out and put them in. Alright, so I'm gonna come back when I put all the pictures on it that I want, and then I'll check in a minute. Alright, so here it is with all the pictures, and I put the quotes on too. So at this point I just write the names of the characters. First we got April, and I'm gonna write it like that. And I write down the director and the screenwriter. So I put director / screenwriter. That's pretty much all I do. And then I write a review on this film. I'd give this movie probably a 7 out of 10, just because I do like this story, but it's overdone a little bit. But I do like it. I like the cinematography of this movie. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes of making my film journal entries. If you want more videos like this, I will definitely make more videos like this, because I enjoy watching movies and making these. This one turned out decent. I like other ones better than this one, but this one's alright. And lastly, we got Gibby. He's thinking about another comment, and here it is.
What's Gibby thinking about?
Alright, so thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to join, my channel. And I really enjoy making videos for you guys, and yeah, so subscribe. What does it hurt, really? See you guys next Friday. Bye.